everybody. Today you were supposed to do some combustion notes, and also what I would like to do is I would like to go over some of this information that we did on Friday. I want to make sure that you understand how to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this sheet and give you some examples to make sure you understand. I might go ahead and give you some other problems to do today on top of the combustion notes, and then I just want to make sure that you understand single, double, and reactions, and synthesis and decomposition reactions, and balancing them. So if you're having an issue and you feel like you need to still go over some of these, just make sure you send me a message underneath this assignment so that I can make sure I can pull out some more resources for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to look and see what we have. Remember, we have blue, yellow, red, and green. All right. So the first one is blank P plus O yields P4, O10. So let's do our colors. Red and blue is the first two, right? Red is A. So there's red and red. Blue and blue. And if we looked at our paper, that would look like synthesis. So I'm going to put synthesis, or just S, because that's what the instruction says. So then I'm going to look and see what I've got. I've got P is 1, O is 2, P is 4, O is 10. So I know for me, I have to get P's to 4. So I'm going to put a 4 here. 10, which is 2, which would be 5, which would make that one 10. And now it is balanced. Okay? The next one, HGO. Sorry, let me set my timer. Don't want to go over. And then plus Hg plus O2. So here we go again. Red, blue, red, blue. And that one looks like decomposition. So I'm going to write down decomposition. And then I'm going to go through, I'm going to go through and figure it out. Hg and O, Hg and O. I have 1 and 1. I have 1 and I have 2. So if I put a 2 in front of here, that changes that to a 2, but that changes that to a 2 also. So if I put a 2 in front of here, that changes that to a 2. So here is my answer for the second one. Ci2 plus NaBr yields NaCl plus Br. So now I'm going to include my green in, right? So I've got red, blue, and green, right? NaCl is red, and that is blue. So here we are. So now what I'm going to do is, if I look, that is single replacement, right? Okay. And then I'm going to draw my line. ClNaBr, ClNaBr. Cl is 2, Na is 1, Br is 1. Cl is 1, Na is 1, and Br is 1. So the only thing I have different is the Cl. But if I go over here and change this to 2, that also changes the Na to 2. Which if I turn this over here to 2, that's going to change that to 2. So then I'm going to add a 2 here. And now it is balanced. Okay? Na plus Br2 yields NaBr. Well, let's see what we got here. I got red and blue. That's going to tell me that it is synthesis. And now I've got to balance it. Na is 1, Br is 2. Na is 1, Br is 1. So if I change this to a 2, that changes that to a 2 and that to a 2. So the only thing I have to do is change that to a 2, and boom, it is balanced. HgO plus Cl2 yields HgCl plus O2. So here I have 3 again. So I'm going to do red, blue, and green. And as you can tell, that is single replacement. Okay, HgO and Cl. HgO and Cl. Hg is 1, O is 1, Cl is 2. Hg is 1, O is 2, and Cl is 1. So first I'm going to change my O's over here. If I change that to 2, that changes that to a 2, right? So now I need to go over here. Changes that to a 2, and it changes that to a 2. And now it is balanced. Alright, so I'm going to skip my line for my combustion notes. And I just got finished doing Hg, and I'm going to do it until I get 10 minutes. So, KClO3 yields KCl plus O2. So, red, red, blue, blue, green, green. So if I look at that, that is going to be decomposition. Because it's going to one, it's going to several, right? Okay, KCl, sorry, O, KClO. My K is 1, my Cl is 1, my O is 3. My K is 1, my Cl is 1, and my O is 2. So if I put a 3 in front of that, that changes that to a 6, right? If I put a 2 in front of there, that changes that to a 6, but it changes my K to a 2 and my Cl to a 2. So if I put a 2 in front of here, those both change those to 2's, and boom, it is balanced. Next one, BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 yields NaCl plus BaSO4. Okay, now I've got 4 colors. So I'm going to start with red first, sorry. Red, red. Blue, blue. Green, whoops, green. Sorry. And then yellow and yellow. So if we look, that is double displacement. It says DR is what we're supposed to put on there. See-through, BaCl, NaSO. BaCl, Na, S, and O. Sorry, I need to change that to 2 different ones. Alright, Ba is 1, Cl is 2, Na is 2, S is 1, O is 4. Ba is 1, Cl is 1, Na is 1, S is 1, NO is 4. Okay, so I need to change the Cl and the Na, right? Well, there it is. 2 in front. 2 and 2, and boom. It is done. Next one, Mg plus O2 yields MgO. So we've got red and blue again. red, blue, red, blue. Well, that tells me that that is bringing it together, right? Synthesis. Mg, O, Mg, and O. O is 2, Mg is 1. 1 and 1. If I put a 2 in front of here, that changes that to a 2, but that changes that to a 2. So if I put a 2 here, that one's a 2, and boom, that one's balanced. Al2O3 yields Al plus O2. Alright. Red, red, blue, blue. So that is, again, synthesis. ALO, ALO. Al is 2, O is 3, Al is 1, O is 2. Well, I like odd even numbers, so let me do 3 here, which would make that into a 6. So if I want that to be a 6, if I put a 2 in front of there, that makes that a 6. That makes that a 4. So if I put a 4 in front of there, it makes it a 4. And boom, it is balanced. Wow. Let's see how much longer I got. Oh, I got less 40 seconds left. So, listen, you are not going to be as fast as I am, okay? And these are very, very simple problems. If you're having problems with these very simple ones, you will need some more. And like I said, later on today, I'm probably going to put on some other questions for you just to see if you know how to do this. I need to get more difficult ones because you're going to have more difficult ones on the test. I hope you're having a blessed day, and I love you.